How to get items position in a list. I am iterating over a list and I want to print out the index of the item if it meets a certain condition. How would I do this? Example.
There was an answer with a list comprehension here, but it's disappeared. Here. Example. Update. Okay, you want a generator expression, we'll have a generator expression. Here's the list comprehension again, in a for loop. Now we'll construct a generator. And niftily enough, we can assign that to a variable, and use it from there. And to think I used to write Fortran.
What about the following? If you are not sure whether the element to look for is actually in the list, you can add a preliminary check, like or. Or the Pythonic way, which I don't like so much because code is less clear, but sometimes is more efficient.
Use enumerate.
Range instead of range is requested. See comments.
Here is another way to do this.